What's up guys, today's video is going to be a little bit quick and to give you some updates about Apple, what is the Apple doing. And news is that Apple just filed a DMCA against a website, and you probably know that website if you have into iOS system or install iOS 13 or 14 beta profile on your iPhone. And the website name is betaprofiles.com, and what they do is they provide free developer profiles if you want to download on your iPhone, Apple Watch and iPad Pro, MacBook Air, Mac or any other product from Apple's. If you want to download a developer profile or public profile on your iPhone or even any Apple device, you can download that profile from there for free of course. You don't have to pay any single penny to them to download that profile. And Apple, that's because Apple just filed a DMCA against them, because if you download that, if you want to download that profile officially from Apple, you have to pay to Apple almost I think $99 to Apple to download that profile. But that's the reason that Apple have signed that profile against them. And if you don't know what is DMCA, DMCA stand for Digital Millennium Copyright Act, and that is the exact same as we got on copyright strike on YouTube videos. And if I tell you my experience, and 2 to 3 days ago I uploaded a video on YouTube how to download free Final Cut Pro on your iMac or MacBook, and Apple just gave me a copyright strike on that video because the Final Cut Pro is paid on Apple's website and you have to pay to Apple almost $299 to download that software. And I made a video how to download that free, so that's the against Apple's rules, and that's why Apple gave me a copyright strike on that video. And that's the same rule about that website. Let me show you, if you can see that that's the website name, betaprofiles.com. And if I try to open that website, now it is not opening. You can see that it is still loading, and this website is totally down. You cannot now download that any profile from that website. And if you have installed any profile from that website, you don't have to worry about that, and it's not going to do any damage on your iPhone, and you will still be able to get any future updates from Apple on your iPhone or any other devices. You don't have to worry about that. This will still works on your iPhone. The only thing is ban is just that website from, you can see that the only thing is ban is just Betaprofiles website. Anything else is totally working. If I download that profile on your iPhone, you don't have to worry any about it. So that's all about today's video, and if you like this video, give thumbs up this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in another video. Until, peace out.